What you saying, gals and gents? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today I'm taking my family to work out with me.
Hey y'all!
This is the cameraman for the day, y'all remember from last time.
No matter if you don't have a right diet, no matter what, I don't care how much protein they tell you have to drink. I don't care how much supplements they tell you have to take. The only way you can get the results you're looking for is if you have a strict diet. Down, you know. Stop. Come down here. 15.
That's what I need.
Get up. Go back. Same thing.
Breaking.
Working that way. Stop. We got 15. Faster than that. The rest ain't here, the rest over there. We gotta run. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Faster, 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 faster. Faster. Let's go. No. Lift up the foot. 13. All right, let's go. Run. Let's go. Good. Isha is the only one who in shape. This can be possible. Let's go. Get up fast. And we running back there. Let's go. Run. Faster. Let's go. Pick up your foot. Let's walk over here. Run, keep yourself. Let's go. Run down. Let's go. Get up, mini girl. Let's go. No. Lift up your foot. Stop. Lift up your foot. Let's dig it back. Okay, let's go. Run to the corner. After you run to the corner, get up water. Let's go. Run. And when you run, use your arms. Move your arms fast. Go. Run. Let's go.
And this one ducking out on her workout.
Girl, this is like labor pain.
Girl,
please, okay?
I don't know what to say about this one.
I am out of
Ducking
it.
out on her workout. This one, she just finished from ducking, so now she's trying to finish.
Good. Now relax. 30 seconds. Stop now. Faster. Faster, Mini, go faster. Faster than that. Faster. Run through the cone. Run through it. Run through the cone. Now let's go. Keep your big one. Just the rest right after it. There ain't no break. Y'all keep me yourself. You gotta want to knock me. Don't shoot yourself. That is not fair. Let's go. Don't bend down. So here, 1, 2, 30, 30, stop. After that 30, 20 seconds.
Why are we just doing regular times?
That's exactly how it's supposed to be done. Just don't drop your foot. Keep your foot up in the air. Right, just like that. Just like that. Keep going. That's a nice one right there. Just like that. Right, right. Just look up straight, Monica. Look up straight. Just like a Superman. You're looking up straight. Look straight. Don't look at the floor. Oh. Go. Good. Look at me. So when we doing two, right? We're doing it here. We lifting up. Working the side now. So use your arm up the level. See that? Working the oblique. That's you working. That's up. Lift it up. Right, just there. Don't let your feet touch the floor. Ready? She won't be sprinting. That's the first thing.
She won't be sprinting like a tractor. Get on bad, man. Lifting away.
No worries, you're working all of that.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, I know. Start drinking your water. Start drinking your water. Let's go drink some. Stop. Breathe down. Breathe down.